everyone, it's Bree the Plant Lady. I wanted to give a rice update. As you can see, this is rice that we just planted 4 days ago. We did this as a demonstration for Growing a Greener World TV. This will air in early September and it's already germinating. You see, that is the little grass-like stuff is the rice germinating in the pot. Now these are the pots that I did back in April on my first rice sowing video. You see how tall they are? And I hardly ever water these with the hose because they don't have holes in the pots. So when it rains, they collect water and they stay saturated. These are pots that I got from IKEA. And normally I would have drilled holes, but I'm so glad that I didn't. So those are 10-gallon pots. And then my smaller one, which is a 5-gallon, has wheels, and I use this to keep the door propped open. This is my work shed here. So overall, I'm thrilled with how the rice containers are looking, and I will keep giving you updates throughout the summer on how they grow and ultimately how much rice I'm able to harvest from these. Thanks for watching, and for more information, visit breegrows.com. Here's another rice update. This is the same variety of rice, variety called Rex from hancockseed.com. This was sown not quite 2 weeks ago. It's germinating here in the ground, looking great. Actually has a border of peanuts growing around it. And you can see it's growing on both sides of the feed tank bed. And this is going to be awesome. All summer long, this is going to grow about 3 to 3.5 foot tall, and then it will have edible seed heads to be able to harvest, typically starting in mid to late September. So stay tuned for updates, and for more garden inspiration, subscribe to Bree the Plant Lady.